guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a spring summer transitional Zara haul. So I've picked up a few new pieces from there recently and a couple of pairs of shoes, boots as well, and I just thought I'd show you what I picked up. So I know you guys love to see everything that's new in at Zara, and their website can be a little bit tricky to navigate, can't it, at times. So yeah, I thought I would just give you like a little roundup of the things I am loving at the moment. So if you're interested, please like the video below, subscribe to my channel and keep on watching. So first up is this really cute little bralette, and it looks gorgeous on the website, and it is paired with this bright pink shirt and some like loose flowing trousers. It's gorgeous, but in reality I won't be showing you this one on. The others I'll have like cutaways on the screen of me wearing the pieces. But yeah, this one, it is really beautiful. It's kind of like a knitted material. I don't know how well you can see that. It is $11.99. I got this in a size medium, which is my normal top size in Zara, but in reality it kind of doesn't work because I'm like got quite a big bra size, and it just, without any support, it just doesn't work. So I'm really sad about that, but it would look gorgeous for summer underneath like a beautiful bright shirt, some like flowing trousers or a skirt. Unfortunately it's not for me, so I will be returning this piece. So yeah, I will leave all the links to everything and also the product codes in the description box down below in case you want to shop any of the pieces yourself. Okay, so next up, as I already mentioned, is this gorgeous, like beautiful bright pink shirt. It's just like a normal sort of oversized cotton shirt. It is extremely bright, especially for me. As you know, if you follow my Instagram, I very much wear like white or black or beiges, but I thought for like summer, maybe going on holiday, fingers crossed, over a bikini, this would look gorgeous. It's a really nice fit. Again, I got this one in a size medium and it was £19.99. Gorgeous, love that one. Very much thinking ahead because it is currently snowing outside, so that's not something I'll be wearing just yet, but later on in the summer for sure. Next up is this top that gave me, again, real Jacquemus vibes. Look at that, it's so lovely. It's like a knitted fabric, it's not too thick, and it has these really accentuated shoulders. It's not padded, as you can see, but it sticks out nicely and it kind of creates this really gorgeous frame. It's got the little polo neck top, which is very much in at the moment, and then it kind of is a little bit more cinched in at the waist, excuse the label, with this rib detail down here. Again, I got this one in a size medium and it's £19.99. I've got quite a long torso. I'm 5'7", but my legs are like a bit shorter, if that makes sense. This one is almost a little bit too short for me. The bottom sort of only just covers my bra. I did order a size large, which I am actually going to return just to try it on because it's just too baggy and it takes away from the whole fit of the top. And the next piece I'm going to show you is something I envisaged pairing it with. Okay, next up, I love this piece so much. This is like a grey kind of lilac-y colour. It's a wrap skirt. It's knitted, and yeah, it's got the tie detail, so you really have to like wrap it around you, and you've got like lots of straps here which are really nice for creating that kind of cut-out look, which is really in for spring summer. Yeah, it's beautiful because it's a wrap over, as you'll see in the cutaway. It's like got a little bit of a slit for the leg, which is nice, so when it's warmer you can still wear this. This one I got in a size small, and what's obviously nice about this is because it's a wrap over skirt, it can fit all sorts of different sizes, so you don't have to worry too much about the sizing, and that was £27.99. The next piece, again, serious Jacquemus vibes, this beautiful like pale peachy pink dress. This cutout, again, it's like a knitted detail and it's ribbed on this like one half, and then the rest of it is just kind of normal, and it is a midi length, as you'll see in the little cutaway. Yeah, I just think this is really lovely. It's got like a mock neck, so it goes up a little bit. I picked this up in a size medium and it's £29.99, but I think this is going to be such a beautiful piece for spring especially. It might be a little bit too hot in the summer, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's nice and stretchy too. This next piece is a pair of jeans, and these jeans literally fueled this entire Zara haul. I saw someone wearing these on Instagram and I just thought they were beautiful. So they're called the Slim Flare High Rise full length split jeans. So these beautiful like pale blue, which is really nice for spring, and they are super long, as Zara jeans always are, but they've got the split at the side here. Yeah, I just think these are really lovely, like nice simple design. I got these ones in a European size 38, which is a 10, and they fit really nicely. They're super high-waisted, which I love, especially with my long torso. I find it hard to get ones that are high-waisted enough to go actually up to my waist. So yeah, love these. They were £27.99, which is a really good price for jeans. So this next one is this cardigan, which is cinched in at the waist, and then it's got splits at the side and it kind of flares out. It's got, as you can see here, these like clasps to keep it together. So there's 4 of them down the front. This really gorgeous thick material, like it's super soft. Yeah, it's got these long sleeves, ribs detail at the bottom, and then a split as well. This was $49.99. I got it in a size medium. I was thinking, oh, it's very expensive, but the material is stunning. Like, it's such a beautiful fabric, so I see why it was more expensive. But let me know what you think of it when I put it on. Leave a comment down below. I don't know, I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. Okay, next is a like real hero piece for this transitional spring summer season, and you've probably seen a lot of girls with this jumper already, and I managed to get my hands on it. It is this gorgeous striped like oversized fit knit. It's beautiful fabric with the zip up the front, which can go all the way up if you want it to. You've got this nice like thick ribbed collar, and then the oversized sleeves, which again have got the split. I feel like that's a bit of a thing this season. There is also a little split at the side here as well. It's such a gorgeous piece for working from home, just doing like chores around the house, or layering if you're going out for a walk, because it is a beautiful thick material. Really, really rate this. So I've already worn this a few times, as you can probably tell, but I believe it was £29.99, around that price range. Okay, so the last item of clothing that I got is this amazing super oversized gilet, very much like inspired by one from a brand called Frame, which I've seen and I absolutely love, but it's about like £200–300, which I don't want to splurge that kind of money on a piece that is potentially just a trend piece. But it's a really gorgeous like black puffer detail with these oversized sleeves. So I saw this on Charlotte Emily Sanders on Instagram, and I had actually been eyeing this up before, but I wasn't sure. But then when I saw it on her, I was like, I need it, so I bought it immediately because I knew it was just going to sell out. They only had a size medium left, which is my normal like top size in Zara. However, it is extremely oversized, so I definitely could have gone down to a small had they had it. This was only £29.99. But yeah, it's really nice. Got the zip all the way down, and then it's slightly cinched in at the bottom. But this could look really nice if you pop a belt over it to create like a real hourglass frame. And again, great for spring summer because it's a gilet. You can layer it and not get too warm. Let me know what you guys think of that one. I'm excited to wear it. I just haven't really found the occasion to yet because it's still a little bit cold. So my last 2 pieces from Zara are pairs of boots. I first of all found these ones, which they're both in this like beige sandy colour, a little bit lighter and nice for spring, goes nice with blue, that kind of thing. These ones, you can actually get them personalised, and that's how they were advertised. You can literally get like whatever you want written on the tongues, but I didn't go for that just because in case I wanted to return them or sell them on. I went for these. They've got a really nice like chunky base. I'm really happy I got these. They're like the high top Converse style, and they're all monochrome. I originally picked these up in a size 5, which is my normal shoe size, but they were enormous, like actually huge. I don't know why they were so oversized. So I placed another order to get a size 4, and these fit a lot better. They've got quite a nice bit of grip on the bottom, so I think it will actually be good for like walking around in the snow. These are £29.99, which is pretty good. I think if you want them personalised, it's an extra like £3, something like that. The final pair, very similar colour, are these ones. These have been doing the rounds recently. I actually picked these up, I'd say in like November, early December. We're now February. I did actually return them in the end because I never wore them, and for the price, they originally are £89.99 because they are real leather and they are really like solid chunky pair of boots. I returned them because I just couldn't justify £90 on something I wasn't really wearing. However, they have recently gone down in the sale to, I think it's $55.99, so it's quite a big saving, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to pick them up again. They had a few sizes left. They're very much like sticking with the chunky boot trend, with the real like track sole, which again will be great for the snow actually, but the lighter colour makes them really nice to like wear into spring, even into summer on a cooler day with a dress would look so cute. They are very difficult to put on. They are super, because it's quite high, they are actually quite tight, and it takes a bit of like practice to slip them on because there are no zips, it's just stretchy. Let me know what you guys think of these. I hope there are some still in stock. If there are, I will link it down below. I would go true to size on these ones. A size 5 fits me absolutely fine. So that is everything. Let me know what you guys think, if you have any pieces here which are your favourites, if you are going to pick any up yourself, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you'd like to see more Zara hauls. I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That would mean the world to me. And I will leave my Instagram link down below as well. So yeah, see you soon. Bye.